Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. A sky vajra is not a contrivance. It is the experience of a secret, self-luminous wisdom. It is totally pervasive. It is profound. It is the transmission of excellence. The yoga of our awareness does not view anything. Our contemplation is the contemplation of the unmoving, victorious one. We do not contemplate. We do not practice. We do not concentrate on anything. Blessings that are not complicated pervade the 10 directions. This is not a contemplation. It is not a non-contemplation. It is not either of these. It is a transmission that is secret. As for the wisdom that has been pure from the primordial, there is no dharma that will remedy causes and conditions. Our attributions are inconceivable. The mandala of the sky is an unchanging space. The great pervader is the Dharmakāya. Non-dual wisdom is truly secret. Whatever may appear, it is awareness arising by itself. Our self-awareness is not contrived and is not still. In this there is no extreme or middle. We have no position or side to hold on to. Near or far, no pervasive abiding in non-conceptuality, nothing that is obvious yet is not to be visualized, no measure of this, great or small, and all the rest. For one whose true dominion is secret, any position or consciousness they may contemplate is a city of reversions. To revert a position, to revert one's own true nature, and the consciousness that reverts any other conditions, obstruct the light of self-originating awareness. In samsara itself there is nirvana. We abide in the experience of pleasure and happiness. All of this is the play of our wisdom. One who practices in great bliss is the practitioner of an astounding playfulness. Buddhas, sentient beings, and all the rest are our own attributions. So we do not see the meaning that is present. The heart essence of self-luminous wisdom is the experience of our excellence pervading all things. This itself is the experience of sky space.